Welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about must-needed proteins for a healthy life. Proteins are essential for many bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and transporting nutrients throughout the body. They're also important for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing muscle loss. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best protein sources for a healthy diet. I'll also talk about how much protein you need each day, and how to incorporate more protein into your meals. So, let's get started. Here are some of the must-needed proteins for a healthy life. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including choline, selenium, and vitamin D. 2. Fish. Fish is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and inflammation control. Some good choices of fish for protein include salmon, tuna, trout, and sardines. 3. Lean meat. Lean meat is a good source of protein and iron. Some good choices of lean meat include chicken, turkey, buffalo meat, and flank steak. 4. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein that is a good source of iron and calcium. It is also a versatile food that can be used in many different dishes. 5. Beans. Beans are a good source of protein and fiber. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including folate, magnesium and potassium. 6. Nuts. Nuts are a good source of protein and healthy fats. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. 7. Seeds. Seeds are a good source of protein and healthy fats. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Now the question is? Question: how much protein do we need each day? Answer: the amount of protein we need each day depends on our individual factors, such as our age, sex activity level, and overall health. However, most adults should aim to get about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you would need about 56 grams of protein each day. Question: how to incorporate more protein into our meals? Answer: there are many ways to incorporate more protein into our meals. Here are a few tips. 1. Add a source of protein to every meal. 2. Choose lean protein sources, such as fish, chicken, or tofu. 3. Include protein-rich snacks throughout the day. 4. Cook with protein-rich ingredients, such as beans, lentils, or nuts. Conclusion: proteins are essential for a healthy life. By incorporating more protein into your diet, you can help support your overall health and well-being. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and fitness. Thanks for watching.